Staying with Pakistan's war against terrorism, in its strife, the army has lost hundreds of soldiers while fighting militancy. One such soldier was Major Ziaul Haq, who died on the 30th of July while commanding his company at the high-altitude Runial area of Swat district. Noreen Haider has the story.
Ziaul Haq was promoted to the rank of Major in 2006. His colleagues say Zia was an all-rounder, brilliant academically, a star debater and a sportsman. He was selected for the prestigious Company Commander's course, which he completed successfully in the USA recently. Major Zia belonged to the 16th Baloch Regiment. He was posted to PMA Kakul, but he requested his general officer commanding to send him to Swat with his company to serve the country there.
He used to share the loads of others because you have to carry some load over there. So he was always volunteer for any hard task, anything. He was an excellent, exceptional sportsman. I remember that he used to participate in every event of the athletics in Pakistan Military Academy.
Major Zia was only 2 years old when his father passed away. His mother says her son always wanted to attain martyrdom.
उसका शुरू से यही शौक था कि मैं आर्मी में जाऊं और कोई कारनामा सरंजाम दूं क्योंकि वो एक शहीद बाप का बेटा था.
Major Ziaul Haq has a 3-year-old daughter Urub and was blessed with a son on the 12th of July. He named his son Hussein in the morning and left for Swat in the same afternoon.
बेटा पैदा हुआ उसके बाद ये उधर गया यूनिट गया अपने जवानों को मिठाई वगैरह दी है की है उसके बाद बीवी को चीजें वगैरह लेके दी उधर आया मैं उसके चेहरे की तरफ देख रही हूँ कोई मतलब वो नहीं है बस उसको एक जज्बा है कि मैं जा रहा हूँ.
In the early hours of 13th of July, Major Zia's company was attacked by militants in the Runial area of Swat. Major Zia fought valiantly as the commander and repelled the attack successfully, but at the cost of his life.
वो बहुत बहादुर था. उसने बहुत से जवानों को बचाने के लिए अपनी जान दी है.
Major Zia's body was brought to Gujranwala Kent and later taken to Daska. He was laid to rest with full military honors at the military graveyard.
बाबा शहीद हो गए ना, और लेकिन बाबा को मैं शीशे से नहीं प्यार किया. वो सारे लोग कहते हैं तू को प्यार नहीं करने देना.
Major Zia was a loving brother and a caring husband. His sister Aisha says she's proud of her brother, and his wife Amina Zia says she has admitted to the will of God.
मुझसे पूछा था उन्होंने मैंने उन्हें अल्लाह की हिफाजत में भेज दिया था. हमेशा वो भी यही कहते थे कि जो अल्लाह को मंजूर, और मैं भी यही कहती थी कि जो अल्लाह को मंजूर.
The baby doll Urub is blessed with the ignorance of her angelic childhood. Little she knows that she would have to live for the rest of her life without having the warmth of embrace of her beloved father. Noreen Haider, Dawn News, Lahore.
The